Social media is a powerful tool that can help you reach your customers. But why is it so important to promote your teeth whitening business on social media? Let me explain. First of all, social media is where the people are. It's estimated that there are over 4.2 billion active social media users worldwide, so there's a pretty good chance that your target audience is hanging out on social media too. Secondly, social media allows you to showcase your work and results in a visually appealing way. You can share before and after photos of your happy customers, testimonials, and helpful information about your services. And thirdly, social media provides you with a platform to connect with your audience and build a loyal following. You can engage with your followers by responding to comments, answering questions, and offering promotions and discounts. By promoting your teeth whitening business on social media, you can reach a wider audience, showcase your work, and build a loyal following. And, most importantly, you'll be helping people achieve their perfect smile. Enjoy this step-by-step guide to marketing your business on social media and start growing your business today. Step 1. Identify your target audience. Before you start promoting your teeth whitening business on social media, you need to know who you're trying to reach. Consider factors like age, location, interests, and purchasing habits to create a detailed profile of your ideal customer. Step 2. Choose your platforms. Choose the social media platforms that your target audience is most active on. For example, if your target audience is primarily made up of millennials, you may want to focus on Instagram and TikTok. Step 3. Create a content plan. Decide what type of content you want to share on social media and how often you want to post. Consider including a mix of promotional posts, educational posts, and entertaining posts. Step 4. Create visually appealing content. Use high-quality images and videos to showcase your services and results. Make sure your content is visually appealing and professional. Step 5. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments and messages, answer questions, and share user-generated content. Building relationships with your followers will help you build a loyal following and increase engagement. Step 6. Measure and analyze your results. Use social media analytics tools to track the performance of your posts and make data-driven decisions about your content and strategies. Step 7. Continuously improve. Continuously evaluate your social media marketing strategies and make changes as needed to improve your results. By following these steps, you can effectively market your teeth whitening business on social media and reach a wider audience of potential customers. Happy promoting!